Hey guys, welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So I know you guys probably clicked this video because you saw the $10,000 spent in ALO clothes, which yes, I have spent like $10,000 in ALO clothes, but not in this haul. The reason I wrote that in the title, guys, and sorry to disappoint, is because I am doing a free giveaway of unused, totally unopened ALO merch, such as these ALO totes. In order to win this raffle, you have to like, subscribe, and comment below in this video, and subscribe to my channel like I just mentioned in order to win this raffle. So I am giving away free ALO stuff. I also have a giant Poshmark store where you can find a bunch of my ALO clothes as well. So let's go ahead and get started and get into the video. Comment if you want ALO. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the things that you guys did not see in the haul. And part of the reason you guys did not see them in this haul is due to the fact that they're either men's clothes or they're things like socks and accessories. So first, we'll just go ahead and start off, and I'll include overlays of what they look like on men. I went ahead and bought my boyfriend these shorts. You see, he's been like jiving lately with Lululemon. He's tried to like upgrade his workout closet as well as his functional like athleisure clothes because, I don't know, I guess he wants to compete with me because I'm just an ALO babe. But he decided to start upgrading, and he went the route of Lululemon. Now, Lululemon has one or maybe two things that I will take over something of ALO's, but I'm an ALO girl through and through, holding strong, killing my financials with all their new stuff, all their color drops. They're really sticking it to me. So these are men's, oops, I always get the camera wrong, men's shorts. They're in this like military green. They are called the Utility 2-in-1 shorts. And the reason why I'm actually returning these is because my boyfriend didn't like the fact that the spandex came down lower than the shorts. He thought that looked weird. He's still a basic boy, you know, super Wonder Bread white. But overall, I liked them a lot, which is part of the reason why I bought them for him. They have zipper pockets. They're super stretchy. The outside material isn't as stretchy, but it's just really lightweight and airy, which I thought he would like because we go on runs, which is why my hair looks like shit, is because we just went on a run. So forgive me for that. I'm also struggling with hair loss, which sucks. And I have another channel on how to treat for hair loss. So if you guys are suffering from that, go check out my other channel. It's called Hair Honey. And I am getting some success with my hair loss. So these are the shorts. You can see the zipper pockets. There is a band in the inside right here. There are liners, which I like for him, just because I'm like, why are your balls all dangly hanging out? So the liners are like this. They are longer than the shorts, which is, I think, like a newish trend that ALO's trying to kind of push on people. The reason I actually bought these, though, is because I love the color, and I wanted to get him more into ALO than into Lululemon, so that when he wants to buy new ALO clothes, he might slip one or two things into the cart for me. Crossing my fingers. We do that at Lululemon, so that's why I do have a couple of Lululemon things, because I'm like a greedy little chihuahua. Can't help myself. I need my athleisure clothes. I'm a runner. I do HIIT workouts, and I'm a super yogi, so all of it works whole and whole together, and my style is just more of that athleisure style. It took me a while to find what my style was. I went through identity crises and stuff, but I figured it out. So next on the list is, we'll go ahead and show the socks. I didn't have this organized as well today, guys. Sorry about that. These ALO socks. And the reason I bought them is because, hold on, let me go get them, is because I got these. I love these. Like, how freaking cute. Now, I've been rollerblading since I was like in college, and I bought my pair of rollerblades from like a thrift store or someone's garage sale because like no one was rollerblading back then. Now it's like a big trend, and Impala skates coming in for the kill. Even though I'm not doing an Impala skates review, look at these like fairy dust cuteness. Now take this plus this, and you got, pow, an amazing fucking look. So I am all for it. I cannot wait to use my rollerblades, even though I've had them for about 7 months and I haven't used them, and I haven't even installed the brake on it yet, which I didn't know what it was when I opened the box. I was like, what is this extra piece? And then I realized after riding around my house that I had no way to stop, and so I was like, that's definitely the brake. But yes, so these cute little like bubblegum pink ALO socks. I'm not even a huge pink person, but lately I've been vibing with it more, which leads me into my next product, which is one of my favorite products that ALO sells. I typically buy a bunch of their colors, and you can see it in some of my other hauls. Now, this color didn't turn out to be my favorite, but it looked really good on the model, and I think it's just my skin tone that was kind of causing it to look weird, and you'll see in the overlay, the Delight Bralette, and it's like in this like butterfly, really cutesy pink. The color's not coming through all the way on here, but you might be able to see the color better in the overlay. I love these bras because I have a bigger chest. I hate the underwire, and the nice thing is, even though that these guys have like a designated boob socket and a cutoff for that, your boob can really hang under it without it being noticeable. Now, in this color, it was a little bit more noticeable for me, so I am returning it, which is a sad, sad day in ALO shopping heaven. So I am returning it. I love the fact that the bands are adjustable. The bra is so comfortable. Like, I replaced a lot of my bras with the Delight bralettes, so I have them in quite a bit of colors. but it is not for high impact sports. It's mainly either to like look cute and wear under one of their like little micro sweaters, which I actually have on right now. And these two paired together actually look super cute. They're almost like made for each other. You can pair that with leggings, any of their pants or their skirts, and it's just like, boom, you've got like a majorly successful look going on, because ALO really done figured it out. Big round of applause, because they, like, you can mix and match pretty much any of their products and they all look good together, but the quality is also there. The hex colors are there, so they're just robbing us blind. I swear, they're like part of the globalist elite or something, because they know how to rob people. Jesus. Okay, so next, I'll just go ahead and talk about what I'm wearing. So I am wearing this long sleeve cropped whisper cardigan, which is ribbed, as you guys can see. It is buttoned down and they come in a bunch of different colors, and every time I see them I want to buy all the new colors because the way they make them look on the models is so cute. Now, I don't find that they actually look that good on me, but I do have some basic colors such as the white, the black, and probably a green, because if they come out with a green, I buy the green, like in every product. You can go check my other hauls, like legit, every single product that they have in like new hex color greens aside from the emeralds, I buy. So actually underneath this little cardigan, I am wearing the ALO, the new ALO dress. Now, they clearly got this idea from Halara, which I have one of those as well, and I've done a haul on them as well. So I might actually do another video where I compare the two next to each other. But overall, I really like this. The neckline is a little bit different, and I don't know if it's specifically made for women with bigger breasts, which is something that sometimes I would call it suffer with from. I don't know. Sometimes it's a blessing, sometimes it's a curse. I know those of you who have bigger tatas agree with me probably. But it's actually extremely comfortable. It's like a really great length, so it comes like right above, like right where your legs start to bow open. That's where it opens. Oh, right where your legs start to bow is where the dress kind of cuts off. Like, I've got to find a better way of showing you guys. So maybe like this. And I have to say, the straps are adjustable and it's super cute. They always put like the ALO logo in such a like funny spot. And when I wear those little cropped cardigans over this dress, it's literally like an ALO symbol and then right underneath it another ALO symbol. So they kind of figured that stuff out too. It's funny. But overall, I am keeping this dress. It's super comfortable. It has the built-in shorts. You feel really protected without feeling like tight and pulled in. So I'm a huge fan of this dress. I will probably go buy it in the other colors as well. Now, for people that have wider hips, I have wider hips too. It's not as appealing as they show on the models on their website, but they also Photoshop those photos to look better on their models. So moving on to the next product is the Whisper pants. I love them. So they're called like the Whisper sweatpants. They're ribbed and they have like bunched lines here. They look so good. They're kind of like harem pants or boho pants, but they are like wearing, I don't even know, like children's baby bottom skin on your body. Like, it is what I want to bathe in. It's what I want to sleep in. It's what I want to pretty much do everything in. And in addition to that, you can really pair it with any of their stuff and it looks super cute. You can wear it high-waisted, low-waisted, and rock it either way. It does have these drawstrings in the inside, so if you want to flip the band for a drawstring look, you can do that. Or you can wear it front ways without any drawstring showing. In addition to that, it has pretty good pockets. Now, I was wearing my gray pair of these, because I have them in every color, in front of my little sister, and she was like, where'd you get those pants? So then I bought her some in a couple different colors. Then literally all of a sudden, she's an ALO girl now too. So it's so bad because she'll buy things that I've never had before, and I buy things she's never had before, and then we try them on each other, and then we're like, God damn it, now I need to buy these too. So it's almost a crime to have another person in the house that likes ALO, unless it's my boyfriend who wants to pay for some of my ALO stuff. But overall, love them. We'll continue buying them. If they come out with new colors, they are just heaven on the body. Now, moving on to the final product. This is something that I've never actually had before, and it is a newer design of theirs, and it is this short sleeve tee. It is called the Ribbed Cropped Savvy Short Sleeve. And I really like the idea of it, but the execution is just not my favorite. I am not a huge fan of seam lines going down the front, which you guys might know from some of my other videos if you watch them. But this one was way more noticeable than I expected it to be. I am always looking for cute white t-shirts, like just like this, with this kind of cut in the front and the sleeves this length. Now, the execution just wasn't exactly where I needed it to be in order for me to keep it. So once again, I am probably returning this. They are very comfortable. The material is very stretchy. Overall, it's like, I really want to love it. Like, I really want to love it. So I might try it on again with a couple other things just because I can't help myself. But overall, like, I think this could look really good on a lot of people. It's maybe just like the length of my torso because I'm like condensed like into a little ball. I want a leg extension if that's possible. If anyone knows where you can get a leg, a knee, and a torso extension, let me know. Overall, probably won't keep it. Really like the idea of it. Really like the material. The material is a little stiff, but overall, like, I think they could have made it out of the, like, Whisper Pants material and had the execution be better. But this is meant to be a stretchy athletic top. It is cropped, which is cute. And I'm gonna try it on again. Not now, but I will try it on again because I can't help myself. Okay, guys, so that kind of concludes our haul. If you guys like this and want to enter to win one of the ALO totes, let me know by clicking the subscribe, clicking the like, and comment down below on what is your favorite product you saw in this haul. I will link down to all of the products that I just reviewed in this so you guys can find them easily. And also, if you guys are going to purchase any of these products, make sure to use my link down below. It's like Talk Table something link down below, because the only way to get promo codes from ALO is either having it be a holiday or using someone's link. So this link will provide you guys with a discount either of 10% or 20%, something like that. And there's no reason not to get a discount, especially when you're buying clothes that are like $1,000 every time you swipe your credit card. So definitely check that link out. Also, the products are listed below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to enter the raffle.